now people are going direct into chat-based language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, if you're feeling spicy, to get some answers on aesthetic treatments, etc. So these things are happening at the same time, and then sort of coming down through those two things is like a generational change in behavior. So younger generations, they use social as a search engine, or they might default first to a chat-based tool instead of Google, which for a lot of people has suggested that maybe Google will die or Google's irrelevant. But what most people miss is that all of those chat tools get their data from Google. So Google is actually more relevant than ever. And I also remembered, I listened back to a bit of our last podcast episode to see what kind of predictions I had made. And I was dead wrong on one of them.
Okay.
And I'm happy about that. I'm happy because I didn't want to be right. And that was when we were talking last time and we were chatting about AI. It was actually I don't think ChatGPT had even been released at that point. I had wondered and mused whether websites would still be relevant in a few years, whether a website would just get replaced with like a chat interface or something. Maybe that will happen, but right now, websites are more important than they've ever been in history, because where does ChatGPT and others get its data from? Websites. Mm-hmm. It only has two places to go to get its answer when you ask it something. It's either the training content it was given before it was released, which went up to a certain point. I think originally it was 2021. It was like it swallowed the internet up till 2021. But then if it doesn't know the answer from that, it goes out to the open web. And what powers that? Websites and the Google search algorithm. So Google and websites are now more important than they've ever been, which is funny because all the content I see from marketers says, Google's dead. You now need to optimize for ChatGPT. And they're fundamentally missing the point, because where do you think it gets all of its data from?